In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore messages in Telegram. We'll walk through creating a safe local backup using Telegram Desktop, and then cover how restoring works so you know exactly what to expect. By the end, you'll feel confident preserving your chats and accessing them whenever you need. First, let's make the backup. Start by installing Telegram Desktop on your computer. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, and you can download it from the official Telegram website. Once installed, open the app and sign into your account. When the app is open, look to the top left corner for the 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the menu. Then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find the Advanced section, and there you'll see an option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the tool we'll use. When the export window opens, you can pick exactly what you want to save. You'll see options for chat history, photos, videos, files, and more. Take a moment to think about what matters to you. If space is a concern, consider excluding very large media, or export only the essentials. Keep in mind that certain types of chats, such as secret chats, won't be included in backups or cloud sync. Next, scroll down to choose the format. HTML is the easiest for most people since you can open it in any web browser and click through your conversations like a simple website. JSON is better if you plan to parse the data or use it with other tools. When you are ready, click Export. Telegram will gather your selected data and save it locally to the folder you choose, depending on how many chats and media files you have. This can take a while and use significant disk space. It's a good idea to store the backup in a well-labeled folder, and, if possible, on a drive that's regularly backed up. Remember, these files can contain sensitive conversations, so keep them private. Now, let's talk about restoring. Telegram primarily relies on Cloud Sync for restoration. That means if you install Telegram on any phone, tablet, or computer and log in, your chat history excluding secret chats will automatically appear. No manual import required. This is the simplest way to restore your messages to a new device. If you created a local export in HTML or JSON, think of it as an archive for viewing. Open the HTML export in your browser to read past conversations, or use the JSON files if you need structured data. These files are for reference and won't import back into Telegram, but they're invaluable for keeping a personal record. That's it. Thanks for watching.